Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk Channel, the place where we open your eyes to better English. I'm Emma. Rahul, what are you doing? You haven't blinked in 2 minutes.
Shh. I'm watching this banana, Emma. I'm waiting for it to rot.
You are watching a painting of a banana. Rahul, that is a still image. It will never move.
But I want to see if it changes. I'm looking it very hard.
Oh, boy, you are looking at it very hard. Rahul, you mix them up again. See, look, and watch. The Trinity of Vision.
Honestly, why does English need 3 words for using your eyes? It's confusing.
It's all about intention and time. Today, we will clarify these 3 verbs so you never stare at a painting again.
Okay, my eyes are ready.
First, see. See is passive. It happens automatically when your eyes are open. You don't try to do it, it just happens.
So if I open my eyes, light comes in, boom, I see.
Exactly. I see a spider on the floor. I didn't look for it, it just appeared. I see you.
Okay, it's like a camera taking a photo instantly. Click. I see the banana. It's in my vision.
Correct. You don't use effort. Second, look. Look is active. You try to see something. You turn your head, you focus your eyes.
Ah, so see is lazy, look is working.
Yes, and here's the grammar rule. Look plus at. You usually need the preposition at if there is an object.
I'm looking at the banana.
Correct. Look at me. Focus on me. Look at the board.
So I opened the door and I saw a dog. Passive. I looked at the dog to see if it was friendly.
Brilliant example. Third, watch. Watch is active and long. We use it for things that move or change over a period of time.
Like a movie.
Yes, movies, sports, TV shows, or people doing things. I'm watching a football match. It moves. It takes time.
That's why I was wrong about the painting. The painting does not move, so I can't watch it.
Exactly. You can look at the painting, but you watch a video of a painting being painted.
Okay, see equals snapshot, look equals focus, watch equals video.
Perfect visualization.
Emma, wait, I have a question. Do we watch a movie or see a movie?
Ah, the famous exception. At home, TV or laptop, we usually say watch. I watched a movie on Netflix last night. At the cinema, theater, we often say see. I went to see the new Marvel movie.
Why?
Because going to the cinema is an event or experience. But honestly, in modern English, people use both. But watch is always safe for screens.
Okay, Emma, test my vision.
1. Did you blank the lightning last night?
It happened suddenly. Flash. See the lightning?
Correct. 2. Please blank the whiteboard.
Focus on it. Please look at the whiteboard.
3. I like to blank people in the park.
They are moving around. I like to watch people. People watching.
Perfect. 4. I blank my keys, but I couldn't find them.
I was actively searching, so I looked for my keys?
Yes, look for means search. Good bonus phrasal verb. And 5, I can't blank anything without my glasses.
Ability. I can't see anything.
You have 20/20 vision, Rahul.
Let's summarize before I start watching the wall again.
Let's break it down. 1. See, passive, happens naturally. Eyes open, no effort. I see a bird.
2. Look, active, focus and effort, usually look at. He looked at the bird.
3. Watch, duration, for things that move or change. TV, sports. He watched the bird fly away.
4. The exception. Watch TV at home, see a film at cinema.
5. The mistake. Don't watch a picture. It won't move. Just look at it.
Listeners, we want to know what you enjoy viewing.
Yes, in the comments below, answer this. What is the last TV show you watched?
Not saw, tell us what you watched. Was it a comedy? A drama?
I watched a documentary about bananas. It was fascinating. ING adjective.
You really love bananas today.
Tell us in English.
Please subscribe to Easy English Talk. Look at that subscribe button and click it.
And see you next time. Bye.
Bye.